this watch because it have games on it. Play with Dontae! Hello everyone, my name is Dontae. Today's video is my very first YouTube video. The name of my channel is Play with Dontae. The reason why I chose this name is because I will be reviewing toys, technology stuff, and DIY toys out of cardboard. Today it is a very special day because it's my birthday and I'm 8 years old. Today I will be reviewing something that I always wanted. It is Kidizoom DX2! Whoa! This Kidizoom is made by Vtech. You can see it there. And it is the smartest watch for kids. Woohoo! It is a touchscreen. It's a rechargeable battery. It connects to your computer. You can change your voice and it's a waterproof. It is so cool because you can take photos and videos. And you can create effects like stamps, frames, and filters. It also includes motion apps and time apps. The battery usage is low usage lasts for 2 weeks. Typical usage lasts for 2 or 3 days. And heavy usage lasts for 1 day. One of the reasons why I love this watch because it have games on it. Are you guys ready? Because I am going to open this watch now.
A few moments later.
It's too hard to peel off, that's why.
6.5 hours later.
Now, there we go. This is what it looks like in the inside. Now I'm going to open this part. Sorry for a minute, I need to go get a scissors. I'm back. My mom just helped me open it with the scissors. So inside there's a charger, and I will open this, which is hard to open. Now I need to open it. I will just ask my mom to open this now. Sorry, I need to go again. Hello, I'm back again, and my mom just helped me open this box because it was stuck, that's why. This is what it looks like. Now I'm going to open it. Wow. See? Now I'm going to peel this paper out. There we go, I got it. Look at the screen, it's clean. Now I'm going to, oh, it's not on yet. I will just ask my mom to take it out now. So there's a tag to peel off, and there's an on-off button at the back. See this? Okay, so I'm going to turn on, and ta-da!
Yay!
It makes some sounds. I love it. 2019, and is it the 7th? Is it 7/12? 7/12/2019? Okay, it's 8 a.m.
7:35 p.m. So I need to put 7:35. Just take a little while. Just take a little while. Just take 7:35 p.m. No, not. Very good. Look, we can put some cameras. See, we can switch it like that. How silly I am. Okay, let's go just back home and play games.
So this is the picture, so you can take pictures with. And there's a button to press home, so you can say what you want to play, and there's a camera to take pictures with. And I'll just press the home button. See this home button? Oops, sorry. And in the home button, there's a lot of stuff to do, like running, doing exercise stuff. You can take photos. I already told you that. You can play games too. Okay, what about wish? What about this? I don't know what is this, so let's check this one. We found a potato head that has a carrot nose. Okay, I will just quit this game. I wore the watch onto my wrist, and now I'm going to play a game. Mousy Maze. I don't know how to play this, but I will try. Awesome, I got 2. I got 2 cheese, see that? Now I'm going to the... I won! 360! That's my score. Sorry, that was my brother. This is round 2. I got 2 cheeses. Now I'm going up to the ladder. I'm going to get the key. Oops. I will just go up and get the cheese. Now I'm going to down the ladder so I can get the key. It's impossible to unlock the door, that's why. Now I'm going to the door. Bye! Oh my god, my score is 650! Awesome! Now, round 3. Oops. Okay, eat the cheese now. This is pretty awesome. I love it. What if I go to the shortcut? I don't want to go down there, that's why. If I go down there, I die. Woo! Let's see how much. Ooh, 770. That's my score. Look at that. He got one, a mouse got one for his girlfriend. Level up. Is this level 2? What about let's just pause this game, quit, and let's play something else like puzzle or something like that. I don't know how much. I don't want to. I'm trying to press the arrow. What about let's play this? How to play? Okay, let's play now. Level 1, round 1. Let's play this game. Oops. Ooh, got it right. Ooh, doggy now. Nah. Oops. Oops, I ran out of time. Oh, I failed. That's all for today with my Kidizoom Smartwatch. I hope you liked this video, and please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep watching and say, play with Dontae. Bye.